Good afternoon, Tiba.
Good afternoon, teacher.
So, how are you today?
I'm very well, thanks.
Could you tell me what topic are you going to tell your schoolmate today?
Bạn đồng bong Proving.
Okay, let's start. Okay.
Bạn đồng bong Proving is a special place in Cambodia, full of exciting things to see and do. It is known for a beautiful countryside, rice and friendly people. One of the most famous things in Ban Dong Bong is bamboo train, where you can ride on a small fun train made of bamboo. There are also many interesting temples like Wat Sangkai, where you can learn about history and culture of Cambodia. Children can enjoy taking boat ride on the river and exploring the colorful market filled with delicious food and handmade craft. In Ban Dong Bong, children can see many wonderful animals like cow and duck, and even visit a farm. It's a perfect place to adventure and learning. Remember to say hello in Khmer Tuesday when you meet local people. Thank you, teacher, and all my schoolmates for listening to me.
Yeah, very good. Thank you.